Build a mental model of the 6 pillars and practice trade-offs. Leave with a checklist and next steps for your own review. Core idea: 6 pillars: operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization, sustainability must be balanced. Decisions are trade-offs, e.g., reliability versus cost. Flow: warm up, identify your bottleneck in a recent incident/cost surprise. Concept map: 6-pillar hexagon to visualize balance. Pillar drills: why it matters. Core ideas: quick activity, try now action, and AWS helpers for each pillar. Trade-off lab: global video learning startup, choose regions AZs, enforce EU data residency. Edge strategy: immediate versus long-term cost moves, sustainability choices. Knowledge check: 5 quick questions to reinforce concepts. Red flags: single AZ prod, wildcard admin, no RTO RPO, on-demand only, logging without response. Takeaways: minimal pillar checklists, 1 metric per pillar, and a 30-60-90-day adoption plan. Recommended home exercise: 90 minutes. Objective: apply the framework to 1 real workload and produce a 1-page improvement plan. Steps: pick a workload, customer-facing or cost-significant app. Define goals. Business objective: SLO, availability latency, RTO RPO, regions AZs, data residency. Rapid pillar review: 10 minutes total, 90 seconds per pillar. Ops: is core infra in ISC, CI/CD to prod? On-call runbook exists? Security: least privilege enforced, central cloud trail, encryption at rest in transit. Reliability: multi-AZ, backups plus recent restore test, health checks and auto recovery. Performance: right-sized, caching CDN, load testing and tracing. Cost budgets alerts, idle cleanup. Commitments: SPRI for steady load. Sustainability: Graviton serverless, storage tiering, schedule dev off hours. Score risks: for each pillar, list top 3 risks, rate high, medium, low. Choose quick wins this week. Pick 1 to 2 high risks and define actions, owners, and due dates. Baseline and metrics: capture current P95 latency, error rate, $/TXN, change failure rate, MFA coverage, % Graviton. Plan 1 test, chaos test or load test to validate an assumption tied to your SLO. 1-page readout, architecture sketch, risk table, chosen remediations, expected impact on SLO cost. Optional stretch, 30 minutes, rerun the trade-off lab for your workload. Propose a multi-AZ deployment. Edge strategy: CloudFront API acceleration, immediate saving, idle scheduling, and long-term commitment. Savings plan, plus 2 sustainability moves, Graviton plus tiered storage. Present a 30-second pitch. Deliverable templates, copy-paste, risk table, pillar, risk, HML, action owner, date. Metric SLOs, availability %, latency P95, error budget, RTO RPO, metrics to track weekly, ops change failure rate, security MTTD, and MFA coverage, reliability, error budget burn, performance P95 latency, and cache hit rate, cost, $/TXN, and SPRI coverage, sustainability % Graviton and off-hours runtime.